Hi everybody, I will talking now about installation of Visual Studio, which including Visual Basic on it. Open Google page, search on download Visual Studio. You will find many results. Click one which start with www.visualstudio.com. As you see here on the screen, write download Visual Studio in Google, click enter, and you find www.visualstudio.com. Click on it and go to Microsoft Developer Network, Visual Studio, click download and then next Visual Studio. You must log in with your Hotmail email if you have a Hotmail. Log in with your Hotmail and password, or Outlook and password, any of this mail. You find this screen, Visual Studio downloads. This is a free trial, professional, enterprise also trial. Visual Studio Code free download. Visual Studio Community 2017 free download. We click here, free download here. This is the survey screen. If you want to make the survey, okay. If you don't, click no thanks. Then the download started. With this file finished, it is an exe file to start online download. After finish, click open, and if after you open it, you get this window. Click on to run, and continue. It will start to install. Download first the installer of Visual Studio. After a while, it will be finished download and start to installing. After finishing installing, you get this screen, and then after finish you have start the Visual Studio 2017 like this. You can choose to log in with your account, or you can maybe not now. You can log in directly without your account in Hotmail. This is the way to log in with your account. Write your email and next to edit password, and then sign in. And you can choose the color of the platform, the interface you want. It is different type of colors. This is dark, this is light, this is blue, and you choose from upper here Visual Basic to work with. It is also contain JavaScript, Visual C#, Visual C++, web development code only. We will choose Visual Basic here, and then click Start Visual Studio. After opening the Visual Studio for the first time, you can choose to build your first application in 5 minutes, or you can open another project of solution if you have before from other versions. You start new and project. You choose blank application, universal Windows, and choose the name of your application, of your first application from here. In this lectures we will describe how to make a calculator. So you can name, I will name the project name is calculator. It will run on different version of Windows 10. Choose this one, and you can start to build the application. Thank you. For any questions, you can contact me at khushoui@gmail.com or call me on this number.